everyone, my name is Yesenia Zemba. I want to welcome each and every one of you guys for attending Wake Forest School of Law's graduation ceremony. We have a very special guest joining us today. Our guest has pushed her way as a woman into high positions in our government and will be going down in our history books. Our guest is very inspiring not only to women around the country, but specifically women of color. In 2010, she won her election to become Attorney General of California, making her the first female and the first African American to hold that position. In 2016, she won the election for U.S. Senator by calling for immigration and criminal justice reform, increasing minimum wage, and protection of the woman's reproductive rights. She is a powerhouse in the courtroom and can definitely sting in the debate room. In her downtime, you may find her at home cooking with her family wearing her signature Converses. The night of her victory speech of her inauguration, she said this very famous quote, "But while I may be the first woman in the office, I won't be the last, because every little girl watching tonight sees that this is a country of possibilities." Everyone, please help me welcome Madam Vice President Kamala Harris.